In the last 30 days, it pumped over 500%. Like, wow. If you had dropped just $1,000 in a few weeks ago, that'd be sitting at $5,000 right now. That's wild, right? But here's what everyone's wondering. Is Pengu still worth buying now? Or, is it already too late? And if you're holding, should you hold on tight or start thinking about cashing out? In this video, I'm going to give you the full breakdown. The tokenomics, the real investor behavior, the actual risks, and what's really going on behind the scenes. No hype, just real analysis using the same tools I personally use when I look at any token. And hey, if you find this video helpful, do me a quick favor, smash that like button and subscribe to Coin Intel. It takes time and research to bring this stuff to you, and your support really means a lot. All right, let's get into it.
So let's talk about why Pengu suddenly exploded 500% recently. Yeah, it wasn't random. The community got loud. X, TikTok, Reddit, it all went full meme mode. People saw the brand everywhere. And when something is fun, viral, and actually doing real stuff, crypto loves that. And we're in the middle of an alt-season wave, and Pengu hit all the right notes. When it comes to investor sentiment around Pengu, things are looking pretty strong right now. There hasn't been any major sell-off over the past week, and that's impressive, especially after such a big run-up. You've got retail investors piling in because, well, Pengu is trending everywhere, on Twitter, TikTok, even on CoinMarketCap's trending list. Speaking of sentiment, I checked the CoinMarketCap community data, and right now 72% of users are bullish, while only 28% are bearish. Now sure, that's not a perfect reflection of trading behavior, but it shows the mood in the community is definitely positive. Now let's talk whales. There was one big move. A whale sold 73.6 million Pengu, locking in a $3.1 million profit after gaining over 200%. That caused a bit of short-term selling pressure. But on the flip side, some whales are still accumulating. Look at this wallet, for example. It's been consistently buying for 7 days straight, totaling over $162,000 worth of Pengu. That's not something you ignore. So yeah, some whales are cashing out with gains, but others are clearly betting on more upside. And with social media buzz going wild during alt season, things are heating up. Let's talk numbers, because the market cap on this thing is wow. Right now, Pengu's market cap is sitting around $2.4 billion, with 24-hour trading volume at about $1.7 billion, although that's down 28% from the previous day. So yeah, momentum's still strong, but cooling a bit. The total supply is massive, 88 billion Pengu. That's a lot. The fully diluted valuation sits around $3.5 billion, which for a meme plus ecosystem token is starting to feel very heavy. Currently, around 26 billion tokens are locked, which is roughly 29% of the total supply. But here's the kicker. Token unlocks begin on December 16th, 2025. So if this pumps hard before then, expect some volatility when that supply hits the market. Now, the distribution, I'll be honest, it's not my favorite. 8% goes to marketing and operations. Only 12% is allocated for liquidity, and a whopping 50% is set aside for airdrops, bounty, and community. That's not immediately dangerous, but long-term, if the price drops and sentiment shifts, the pressure will land squarely on the team and ecosystem. A lot of projects fall apart in that exact situation. As fun as all this hype is, Pengu has risks, especially in the short term. First big one? Still no clear long-term utility. Yes, it's tied to Pudgy World, but that platform is still being built. Until users actually need Pengu for real things, it's mostly hype. Then there's the ETF speculation. There's buzz around a Canary Capital proposed ETF. If it gets approved, could be huge. But right now, it's just rumors fueling the fire. NFT Synergy is also pushing this. Partnerships with Ledger and Supply Inc. for exclusive collectibles have boosted Pudgy Penguin visibility. Floor prices on those NFTs are up 498% in 30 days. Insane. Add that to Coinbase's recent Pudgy NFT profile pic change, and yeah, retail FOMO is in full swing. But here's the warning. If price action starts to disconnect from real progress, hype fades fast. Meme tokens are fun until they're not. And if social buzz dies out and Altseason cools off, Pengu could correct hard. So yeah, it's trending, it's exciting, it has momentum. But don't let that blind you. Always do your own research. Understand the timing, and trade or invest based on facts, not just hype.
So let's zoom out for a second. Can Pengu actually go higher long term? Honestly, yeah, it could. The brand behind it, Pudgy Penguins, is one of the few NFT projects that's actually building outside of Web3. They're selling toys in Walmart, doing IRL partnerships, and pushing hard into the Pudgy World metaverse, all of which brings real-world exposure. Now combine that with a strong meme culture, a huge social following, and potential use cases in gaming, digital collectibles, and even retail payments, and you've got something that's more than just a meme coin. But here's the key. Execution matters. If Pudgy World launches smoothly and the token gets real in-game utility or marketplace integration, yeah, it could become a long-term ecosystem player. If not, well, it's just another altcoin that pumped and faded.
Okay, so let's talk price. Right now, Pengu is trading between 3 cents and 4 cents, with a market cap sitting around $2.4 billion. That's already pretty huge in my opinion. So a 10x from here would mean a $24 billion market cap. Not impossible, but definitely a stretch. Here are my thoughts. For the short term, if the hype continues and that ETF speculation plays out, we could easily see a run to 5 cents to 6 cents. In a full-blown alt season, especially if Pudgy World launches smoothly and NFT sales explode, I think 10 cents to 15 cents is on the table. But guys, let's be honest. If the hype dies down and whales start exiting, we could also see this drop back to 1.5 cents or lower. So you've got to stay sharp. So what's the move? Here's my honest advice. If you're already holding Pengu, consider taking partial profits along the way. No shame in locking in gains. If you're looking to enter, wait for a dip below 2.5 cents or some clear consolidation signs. And if you're bullish long-term, build a plan. Dollar cost average, track the dev progress, and stay updated with the team. Because at the end of the day, don't chase green candles. Chase real momentum and actual delivery.